Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Salesforce record ticket flow. So we have a requirement like when a record write a record ticket flow based on when an account's rating field updated to hot, then customer priority should change to high. So this is a Salesforce account record. So this is the rating field. So whenever this rating field value change to hot, then the customer property field, then customer priority field should change to high. So this is a requirement. So we are going to write a Salesforce out of the box flow to capture to fulfill this requirement. So just clicking on create new flow, so we can create a record triggered flow. So there are other types of flow as well. So today we are going to fulfill this requirement using Salesforce record triggered flow. So this flow launches when an record is created, updated or deleted. So this is like auto launch flow runs in the background. So for our case, the account record is getting updated. So that is why we are creating this record triggered flow. So just clicking on create button. So select object. So we can select the object like account object, then configuring the trigger flow when his account is getting updated, and writing the entry condition like the whenever the account rating field updated to hot. So then searching for rating field. So account rating field equals to hot. Then we are going to run this flow. So every time a record is getting updated and meets the condition requirement, so we are selecting this radio button. So optimizing the flow for, so these fast field updates actually perform based on the before the record is getting saved to the database. So we can select this option as well, but for our case we are selecting this option like actions and related records, update any record and perform actions like send an email. This is more flexible flow runs after the record is getting saved to the database. So we are basically going to launch this flow whenever the record is getting saved in the database. So just creating the flow, so we can edit our conditions as well here. So now I am adding an action like updating the records. So whenever this condition is met, then we are going to update the account customer property field. So how to find records to update and set the values? Use the account record that triggered the flow. So with the account record for which the flow has been triggered, so we are going to update that account only. So just we are searching for that customer priority field and setting it to high. So clicking on save. activating the flow. So we can debug this flow as well. So like we are searching for the record like edge communications. So running the flow, it's not triggered since because the rating value is cold, so changing it to hot. So again now I am debugging this flow, so now it's getting triggered. So like you can check the debug details. This is the account for which the flow is launched. Entry condition met, this is true. Updated the account record and its customer priority field changed to high. So this, since the flow ran in rollback mode, any changes to add, delete or modify records were rolled back. So we can now actually check all the things. Just checking the outcome of the flow. So now I am changing the rating field hot. Now previously the customer property customer priority field is low. So saving it said. So the priority has been changed to high. So this is basically a brief introduction of this Salesforce record triggered flow. So thank you for watching.